Good morning, everybody. Here to rinse out another onesie. Got a nice little rainbow onesie. Look how deep that purple is. It is deep purple, so I mean, hey. To the inside?
To the inside. He's just gonna get carried.
Getting him unbanded.
Quick and easy.
Quick and easy. This is a bullseye, too. Don't do very many bullseye ones. This would be very interesting to see. Should make a nice wavy pattern on it.
Come over here and press close so I can see if she... Alright.
Let's see what we got. Ooh, nice. Look at that. Nice little sunburst pattern on there. Cool. Awesome.
Turned out great.
That is pretty awesome. Yeah.
I really like it.
Nice. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Okay. That came out really good. This is the bullseye rainbow onesie. Look there, we got the hot pink in the center to the nice oranges and yellows. Blue and the deep purple on the edges and sleeves. Oh yeah. Look at that. That came out pretty good, I would say. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And I believe we have one more or two more onesies left. Let us know how you'd like us to dye those in the future. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.